blissful morning to my lovely tiny tots. How are you all? Good? I'm also good, beta. This is your general knowledge class and I am your general knowledge teacher. Dear kids, today we are going to do chapter 12 solar system. But before going to the chapter, before going to the exercise, let's discuss some facts about solar system, like what basically solar system is. Beta, solar system is just a compilation of sun and all the heavenly bodies which resist in the space and around the sun. Now in our solar system, we take sun and its 8 planets which we will talk about in the chapter also. As we know, beta, sun is the only source of heat and light. So yes, all the planets get heat and light from the sun. There are total 8 planets and they all revolve around the sun to take its light, to absorb its light. All 8 planets revolves around the sun. So we know we are also living on a planet which is known as Earth, and this is the only planet where life is possible. So today we will study about 7 other planets along with Earth and with Sun. So let's begin our chapter 14, solar system. Dear kids, this is our chapter 14 of GK solar system. Let's read it. Planets are the heavenly bodies that move around the sun. Yes, what planets are basically? Planets are the heavenly bodies that move around the sun, that revolves around the sun. And why they move around the sun? To get the heat and light of the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Yes, beta, total we have 8 planets in our solar system. They are, beta, here the planets are written in a appropriate manner, means they are arranged as per their distance from the sun. Mercury is closest to the sun, so Mercury is written at the first number. First Mercury, then Venus, then Earth, then Mars, then Jupiter, then Saturn, then Uranus, and then Neptune. The solar system consists of the sun and the 8 planets. Yes, what is solar system basically? The sun and these 8 planets. Now dear kids, here it is written, read the clues and then fill in the blanks using help box. Here one help box is given to you to help you. With help of that help box, you need to fill the answer. This is the help box, beta, where the name of each planet is written. Saturn, Neptune, Uranus, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter and Mercury. Moving on to the first clue. Yes, we will read what is it. It is a watery planet of blue color. Yes, beta, this planet is very familiar to you. You know which planet is also known as blue planet, watery planet. Which is the planet which has water? Yes, correct, beta. It is Earth. And why Earth is known as watery planet of blue color? Because beta, more than 70% of Earth is covered with water. That's why it is known as a watery planet of blue color. So here we will write Earth, and the spelling of Earth is E-A-R-T-H, Earth. Now the second question is, it is the first and the smallest planet. Yes, we have read, beta, we have just read the planets as per their arrangement to the sun. This is the first planet in that arrangement, and yes, it is the smallest planet. Now you will be able to identify the planets with their speciality. That's why we are reading these clues. Now which is the first planet? Yes, Mercury. And the spelling of Mercury is M-E-R-C-U-R-Y. Mercury. Now Third is it is red in color and so it is also called the red planet. Yes beta, this planet is red in color and that's why we called it the red planet. Which planet is this? This is Mars. M-A-R-S, Mars. Now today you got an important information that Mars is also known as a red planet. Now fourth is it is the brightest as well as the hottest planet of our solar system. Yes beta, this is the brightest and as well as it is the hottest planet of our solar system. Which planet is this? Yes, this is Venus. V-E-N-U-S. Venus is the hottest planet of our solar system. Now beta, here one box is given to you. Our Earth is the only planet where life exists. Yes beta, Earth is the only planet where life exists, where survival is possible, where people or other living organisms can live. On no other planet it is not possible. Make it more beautiful by planting more and more trees. So we are using our Earth, and as we are using it, so we should perform our duties also. And how we can perform our duties? We should plant more and more trees to make our Earth beautiful. Now beta, our fifth clue is it is the second largest planet of the solar system. Yes, it is the second largest planet of the solar system. It is called Lord of Rings because it has three major rings around it. Yes beta, this planet is known as Lord of Rings. इसको rings का भगवान कहा जाता है. And why it is called so? Because it has three major rings around it. Because around it three major rings are there. Which planet is this? Yes, this planet is known as Saturn. So we will write here Saturn, and the spelling of Saturn is S-A-T-U-R-N. Saturn. Now beta, sixth is it is the fastest planet of our solar system. It appears as a pale bluish disk. It is the fastest planet of our solar system and it appears like it look like a पेल ब्लूइश डिस्क. ये हमें एक ब्लूइश डिस्क की तरह दिखता है. विच प्लैनेट इज दिस? यस, दिस इज नेपच्यून. सो हेयर we will write Neptune, and the spelling of Neptune is N-E-P-T-U-N-E, Neptune. Now beta, one awesome fact is there. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. The sun is the nearest star to the earth. How? It is 150 million kilometers away because it is 150 million kilometers away. Now beta, seventh clue is it is the largest planet among all the planets and has the maximum numbers of moons. Yes, it is the largest planet among all the planets. सभी planets में से ये planet सबसे बड़ा है and it has the maximum numbers of moons, और इसके moons भी सबसे ज़्यादा हैं. Which planet is this? Yes beta, this is Jupiter, and the spelling of Jupiter is J-U-P-I-T-E-R, Jupiter. Now moving on to the eighth beta, it appears like a greenish disk when viewed through telescope. Beta, see, planets are very far from us. We can't see them. We need special types of equipments to see them. So one of the special type of equipment is telescope. So this planet appears greenish disk. This planet look like a green disk when viewed through telescope. So which planet is this? Yes, this is Uranus. So we will write here spelling U-R-A-N-U-S. Anus. Uranus beta. I hope you all will get a lot of information about the planets and you will learn them. Dear kids, today we have done chapter 14 solar system in GK book. So your homework is to complete chapter 14 in your book. And please take care of yourself, be safe and fine at your places. Goodbye.